Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two VPN platforms, which is ExpressVPN and Malwarebytes VPN. So to get started with a quick analysis about these two VPN, Express stand out with its blazing fast speed, strong encryption, and a trusted no-log policy. It works well for streaming, browsing, and secure public Wi-Fi use. It's blocked by years of solid reputation and extra features like split tunneling, kill switch, and 24/7 support. It's ideal for people who want a smooth, private, and reliable online experience across multiple devices. And talking about Malwarebytes VPN, on the other hand, is more basic. It's good for simple online protection, and it's built into the Malwarebytes ecosystem, which is greater for users already using their antivirus. However, it lacks advanced features and has a fewer server location, and it isn't the best pick for streaming or global access. And here's the overall conclusion. So you can simply choose ExpressVPN if it is the better choice for speed, privacy, and versatility. And on the other hand, you can go with Malwarebytes. So if it's okay for basic use, especially if you are already a Malwarebytes user, but it's not a strong overall, and that's it.